Sige, ayaw ha. Sige, iwagan ka. You know how to open it and you know how to close it. Na-close wala. Sige, sige, iwagan ka, iwagan ka. Sige, sige, sige pa. Faster. Sige.
Utoy.
Maybe I can help you. Sige. Sige, sige. Sige. Sige, push, push. Then twist it. Okay? Okay. Put the knot and then twist, twist.
Tuyok, tuyok.
Ina, ana. Make sure nga nataod. Ina ang knot.
Ako sayang dituyok. Ang pikas.
Na, good boy. Gigi.
Wow, very good. Hello, wow. Very good.
May I help you? Can I? Can I help you?
Ay, hala, dito ba ang patuyok may? Padulong niya ang patuyok.
Be, can I help you, be? Look, look. Look at mommy. Sige, ana. Okay, sulod ang screw. Yan, ana ka ng nut.
Tuyok, tuyok.
Sige.
No.
Ano, be? Can I?
No.
So, yan na dyan na ayo. That's good. Perfect. Say hi.
Open, mommy. Open.
Open?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, open.
No, open, mommy. Open.